to Easy IELTS Shadowing channel. Practice speaking with me by listening carefully and shadowing the speaker to improve your fluency and confidence. Many people believe that success is the result of big decisions or important turning points in life. But over time, I have come to understand that our future is often shaped by the small habits we repeat every day. Although these habits may seem insignificant at first, their long-term impact can be powerful, especially when they influence the way we think, work, and respond to challenges. When I think about my daily routine, I realize that it reflects my priorities more clearly than my long-term plans ever could. For example, the way I start my morning often determines my mood and productivity for the rest of the day. If I begin the day feeling rushed and distracted, I usually struggle to stay focused. Whereas starting calmly and with intention allows me to approach tasks with greater clarity and confidence. One habit that has had a strong influence on my personal development is consistent learning. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, I prefer to spend a short amount of time each day improving a specific skill, such as reading, listening, or practicing English. This approach not only makes learning feel more manageable, but also helps me build discipline and patience, which are essential qualities for long-term growth. Another important habit is how I manage my time and energy. In the past, I often underestimated how much energy different tasks required, which led to exhaustion and frustration. Gradually, I learned to pay attention to my energy levels and scheduled demanding tasks when I felt most focused. This change helped me work more efficiently and reduced unnecessary stress in my daily life. My attitude toward challenges has also been shaped by daily habits. When I regularly reflect on my experiences, even briefly, I am more likely to view difficulties as learning opportunities rather than failures. This habit has helped me become more resilient, as I no longer feel discouraged by setbacks, but instead focus on what I can improve next time. In addition, the way I interact with others on a daily basis plays an important role in shaping my future relationships. Simple habits such as listening attentively, expressing appreciation, and communicating honestly help build trust and mutual respect over time. Although these actions may seem small, they create a positive environment that encourages cooperation and understanding. Health-related habits are another key factor that influences my long-term well-being. When I maintain regular sleep patterns, eat balanced meals, and stay physically active, I notice a clear improvement in my concentration and emotional stability. On the other hand, ignoring these habits often leads to fatigue and irritability, which affects both my personal and professional life. Technology also plays a significant role in my daily routine, and learning to use it wisely has been an important habit to develop. While digital tools can be extremely useful for learning and communication, excessive screen time can reduce focus and increase stress. By setting limits and choosing how I use technology intentionally, I am better able to protect my mental health and productivity. Another habit that has influenced my mindset is gratitude. Taking a moment each day to appreciate positive aspects of my life helps shift my focus away from constant comparison and dissatisfaction. This practice does not eliminate problems, but it allows me to approach them with a calmer and more balanced perspective. Over time, I have also learned the importance of adaptability. Daily habits that encourage flexibility, such as being open to feedback and adjusting plans when necessary, help me respond more effectively to change. In a world where uncertainty is common, this ability has become increasingly valuable. Financial habits, although often overlooked, also shape future stability. By managing expenses carefully and planning ahead, I reduce anxiety about the future and gain a greater sense of control. This habit has taught me that long-term security is built gradually rather than achieved overnight. Perhaps the most important habit I have developed is self-awareness. By paying attention to my thoughts, emotions, and behaviors each day, I am better able to understand my strengths and weaknesses. This awareness allows me to make conscious choices instead of reacting automatically to situations. Looking ahead, I believe that my future will be largely influenced by the habits I continue to practice consistently. While goals provide direction, habits determine progress. Even when motivation is low, habits keep me moving forward, step by step. In conclusion, daily habits may seem ordinary, but their impact on the future is extraordinary. By choosing habits that support learning, health, communication, and self-reflection, we can shape a future that aligns with our values and aspirations. Although change takes time, consistent effort in daily life can lead to meaningful and lasting transformation.